So at this point, you should start to see your site rank higher on Google than before, which is great. But how do you know if those rankings are doing anything for you? Also, how do you keep tabs on your SEO results without manually checking your rankings every hour? That's what this step is all about. I'm going to show you how to track your results like a pro. Google Analytics organic traffic. Rankings are great and all, but when it comes to measuring the results of your SEO marketing, nothing beats organic traffic. In other words, the traffic that comes directly from search engines. That's mostly because rankings can be deceiving. In fact, one industry study, ranking #1 on Google isn't all it's cracked up to be. They found that the top ranking page in Google doesn't always get the most traffic. So how is this possible? First, organic CTR. I'll talk much more about this in the next step, but as a quick overview, the #2 result in Google sometimes gets more clicks than the one that is ranked at #1. And if you can double your organic click-through rate, you just doubled your traffic from that keyword. Second, a single page rank for thousands of different keywords. Let's say you rank #1 for a keyword and your competitors rank at #2 for that same term, but your competitors rank #1 for keywords B, C, and D. Because they rank for more keywords, they'll probably get more Google traffic than you. In short, tracking your Google rankings has its place, but the gold standard of SEO traffic is organic traffic. Google Search Console, impressions, and clicks. This is a nice complement to the Google Analytics organic traffic report we just talked about. This report in the Google Search Console basically shows you how many people saw your site and how many of those people clicked on your site. As you might expect, the more people that see and click on your site from Google, the better. Leads and sales. In other words, is the influx of traffic actually adding to the bottom line? This is a question that people gloss over, but if you want to get a huge ROI from SEO, you need to know if all of these new visitors are turning into customers. There are 1,000,001 ways to track this, but my favorite is the goals feature on Google Analytics. You can see which pages are generating the most subscribers for you. That was only step 9 of how to rank #1 on Google in 2023. Don't worry, there are more and I will be going through them. So keep your eyes peeled for step 10. If you want more great tips and advice regarding all things SEO, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any essential content. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.